it's readable, ha? Dapat readable.
Cursive daw or printed. Sir, bahala ka na.
Dapat readable, sir.
Guys, you need to spell, ha? Kung hindi nyo ma-figure out, you need to repeat. Alright, give me a J. Yun na.
Yun!
Ulam na. Give me an O. H. N. Daya dun, ah. S.
Wow!
T. E. P.
Small letters kasi, coach. Oo.
H.
Yun, o. O, C, small
E.
letters.
And the letter
N.
N.
Alright!
Courtesy of
Good job.
Contours. Mahal na mahal ka ng
Congratulations,
Contours.
sir.
Good job. Give it up for Stephen.
Congratulations.
Alin, nalimutan ko na kayo. Ready na kayo? Time? Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute.
Alright? Say your prayers. Leave your belongings to your loved ones. And give me the 10 seconds countdown.